Hi Ma, happy birthday. I miss you and I love you. Thank you for everything, for all the sacrifices and all the other things. Especially I know it's not as easy considering na madalas wala si Papa and tayong dalawa lang. So I really appreciate all the things you've done for me. I'm sorry that I can't be there, pero I know na malapit na ako umuwi. So we will celebrate once I get back. So yun lang, I love you and I miss you. You are the best mama in the whole wide world.
Hello po, Doctora. Have a blessed birthday po. We've been working together for so long and you've undoubtedly been one of the best friends a person could have. In this very special day of yours, I wish you all the love and happiness in this world. May you be blessed tenfold of the love you unselfishly give to others, because you deserve the best and nothing less. Again, many happy returns of this special day. May you live life to the fullest, in good spirits, in good health, and in good times. I love you, Doctora.
Kagising lang po. Wishing you everything that brings joy in life. Happy birthday, Dr. Rose.
Birthday Rose, I hope you have a wonderful celebration and a year full of fortune. May you have good health and God be with you always.
Okay? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday, Mama Dog! We love you!
Cut!
Happy birthday, Doctora!
Happy birthday po, Doctora. I hope you have a great day today and a year ahead is full of many blessings. Stay pretty, stay healthy. Happy birthday! Happy birthday to ka!
Napadaan ng podo. Happy birthday, Doctora.
Happy birthday, Dr. Rose! Wishing you more birthdays to come. Happy life and good health.
And more blessings in the future.
Happy birthday, Dr.
Rose. We love you and God bless.
Birthday, Mama Doc! We thank God po sa inyong buhay, for your generosity. Especially, alam ko po, very thankful ang inyong family sa inyo. And ako po, na-extend po sa family namin ang inyong generosity. And ang prayer ko po sa inyo is that you enjoy your life. And may God grant the desires of your heart. And of course, happiness, genuine happiness, and good health sa inyo po. Again po, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, we
Love you.
Happy birthday, Netsky. Parang kailan lang tayo nag-celebrate ng 60th year mo ah. Akala ko yun na ang speech para sa senior year mo. Meron palang take 2. I'd like you to know, my dear kid sister, that I'm so lucky to have you, a very loving and caring Sisi in our family. Wishing you many more years to celebrate. Blanco, okay lang. May God bless you more. Ate loves you very much. Mwah.
Happy birthday, Tita Ninang.
Wishing you good health po. Stay safe always. Enjoy and God bless. We love
Enjoy your
you.
day po.
Hi, Ate Net. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Sis, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best and good health. More blessings and thank you for all your support. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lana Net. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Net.
Mama Net, thank you for everything. Thank you for the care and love. Stay happy, blessed, and beautiful inside and out. Dito kayo.